Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to get into macro mode with the OnePlus Nord N100. This phone has three lenses, a normal, a tele, and a wide, and I don't know exactly the orientation of which one's which, but it's very simple. First off, we can open the camera and we can see there's a little battery here, and we're seeing it on the normal. It says 1 times here, and we can focus. We can go to 2 times. And you can already see that it toggles the macro lens when it detects something that's very close. Now it comes off. Now it comes on. So we can't manually toggle it. We can't go, oh, I want to do the macro and change it. But you can basically get close and the phone itself will change angles, which is really nice. And we can even go to number 2 and it looks like it's zooming in and it toggles the macro mode. So basically here we are. Get a little closer. And it's going funky because it doesn't know what we're doing. But basically, all you have to do to get into macro mode is what I told you. You get closer, and it says macro lens there, and that means it's going into the macro mode, which lets you focus pretty darn close if you're asking me, considering that that is the size of the battery, and that is what it looks like on the phone. But yeah, that's how we toggle macro mode on the OnePlus Nord N100. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.